Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth pan and zoom effects on images using Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, go to canva.com and sign into your account. From the home dashboard, click Create a new project. Then choose Presentation. And yes, this effect also works inside a video project. But the animation turns out much smoother when you build it inside the presentation mode. The next step is upload your own image or choose one from the elements and photos right here. Place it on the canvas and position it exactly how you want the starting angle to look. This will be your wide shot or your starting frame. Now, we're going to build the movement using multiple pages. Here's how you're going to do it. Duplicate the page. On the new page, zoom in or reposition the image. Duplicate again. Then move or zoom in again. Repeat this for every movement you want to animate. You can think of each page as a camera frame. Page 1 will be the wide shot, page 2 zoom in a little, page 3 pan to the side, page 4 zoom in more, and page 5 go back to the original framing. The smoother the adjustments, the smoother the final animation. Once you have your pages ready, select the space between each page and choose the animation called Match and Move. This is what creates the smooth pan and zoom motion. For clean results, set the duration to around 0.2 seconds. This will be for each transition. You can slow down the very last one if you want a softer ending. Now once you're done adding all the transitions, go ahead and click on Present. So we can watch the full sequence. If something feels off like a jump or a weird zoom, just go back and adjust the image position or tweak the timing. Now once everything looks smooth, then you're good to go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.